In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of Bixby on your Samsung Smart TV. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So maybe you got a new Samsung TV and you have this feature that's built inside of it called Bixby. And sometimes that feature can be helpful. Sometimes it can be your worst nightmare or a very big distraction on your TV. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process on how to disable it. Now the reason I got rid of it on my TV was because there was lots of times where we'd be talking, my wife and I'd be talking in our recliners, watching the TV, and then it would just pop up without us ever saying Bixby and making it activated so it would come up. So it would randomly pop up. And then one of the really weird situations was there was a time that I was in the other room and the TV automatically came on, so almost like a poltergeist effect. So that was kind of creepy, but I went ahead and disabled it, and we haven't had any issues with it since then. But if you do want to act or use it, you can still use the remote, but we disabled and got rid of the actual voice activated portion of it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here. Okay, so I've got the remote in hand right here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit that home button right there. Now Bixby is usually activated by pressing that button. Look, she just activated by hearing it. See, that's just inconsistent. Sometimes it pops up, sometimes it doesn't. But right here, usually you would press that button there and hold it to activate the voice assistant. But sometimes it activates through voice, sometimes it activates through a button, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. So you're going to want to go right here to this home screen or home button right here, which brings up the home screen, just like that. And then all these icons down here, these are all the different kinds of apps that Samsung lets you download. And as you can see, I've got like Disney Plus. I got all the major ones, Hulu, Apple TV. There's a Samsung app there. But over here, go all the way to the left, right before the bell icon, and go to where it says settings. Now don't go up and check any of those boxes there. Go onto the settings tab and then push the button. Okay, so now it brings up this picture menu here, and you're going to want to go down to general, and then right over here you'll see where it says Bixby voice settings. That's the setting that you want to go on. Bixby voice settings, and select that. All right, so now it brings you to this screen here. This has the Bixby language where you could select it in different kind of languages. Right now I have it in English United States because that's where I live. But over to the left on this side here, you'll see different columns. So we're going to go to voice response. You can change the different people that will actually talk to you. So it's kind of neat that you can have, like, you know, John or Julia or even Elisa on there. But right now it's default set to Stephanie. The right here, voice wake up is where you want to go. And it says, wake up with a high Bixby. So right now it's set to on. Down here is the sensitivities. So right now it's just on medium, and the way it is activating it, and sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't, it is on medium. So you could go over to low and lower the sensitivity on it, or you can just come up here and go to off. And that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go ahead and select it so that it turns Bixby off. And then now I won't have that issue of it activating whenever I'm having a conversation with somebody in my house. So then you would go back to the home screen, and I'm going to go ahead and put it back in ambient mode. So it gets the fancy screen on there again, and then we'll see if it activates it. Ooh, let me go back. Okay. Hey Bixby. Hey Bixby. And as you can see, it no longer gets activated. And then I'm going to try it on the remote too. We'll push the button. Hey Bixby. Okay, now it activates it manually, but it is no longer activated by the voice assistant, which was the annoying feature. So if I do want to use it, I have to hit the button, and that's the way I want it to be. So if you press this button here, you can activate it, but no longer through just voice command. So that's how you turn off your Bixby voice assisted smart TV feature. Well, thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, make sure you throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until then, be creative.